Urea's Bharatiya Jan Urvarak Pariyojana scheme. Drivers are unloading the urea's bag. From the train. You can see large number of the urea bag has unloaded here from the train to dispatch for Imphal. And these urea bags are for the whole state supply. And you can see some truck has already loaded here. Laborers are unloading the urea bags from the train compartment. Let us talk with this labor what they said about it. By 1 minute, এটা আপনারা একদিনে কত ব্যাগ পর্যন্ত আনলোড করতে পারেন? 1500 মানে এক ডাব্বা 5 জনে আনলোড করেন আপনারা? 5 জনে. They said that 4-5 labor they can unload nearly 1500 bags of ureas. One they are saying dabba, that is that one bogies they can unload in a day. Here you can see their hardship, their sweat. We cannot take it lightly. This is for the nations. You can see the hard workship of the laborers. হেরান লাগেনি ভাই? আনলোড করতে হেরান লাগেনি? বহুত হেরান না নি? একদিনে কত ব্যাগ পর্যন্ত পারো? এক ডাব্বা করে লাইন ডেলি না নি? মজুরি কত পর্যন্ত পাওয়া যায় একদিনে? পাওয়া যায় 1000 ওরে বাবা কষ্ট কাজ না নি? ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ. As report from the source, it has learned that 20 bogies of the train has reached in Jiribam railway station at around 4:30 am today morning, and in each bogies there are 1400 bags contained. 17 bogies have 1400 bags, and another 3 bogies has 1251 bags in it. And these are the ureas which brought from the Namrup, Assam, and this is mainly under the scheme of Bharatiya Jan Urvarak Pariyojana, and it's the government supply scheme for the government of Manipur. Today itself all the bogies will be unloaded, and they will load it again to the truck for dispatching to the Imphal. And this is the view of the Jiribam railway station.